everyone! For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to evaluate a function. Without further ado, let's get started. But before we proceed on evaluating a function, let's know first the rule on how to evaluate. It says here that replace every x in the function rule f of x with a given replacement value, then simplify the resulting numerical expression. So we're back and we have here the example number 1. F of x is equals to 5x squared plus 4x plus 2. And the given value of x is 5. And based on the rule, we have to replace x with the given value, which is 5. So let's start. We have here the first term, 5x squared, 5. And we need to replace the x with the 5 and squared. Plus, we have here the second term, which is 4x. Just copy the 4 and replace again the x with the 5. Just copy the 2. Then next, we have to perform this. 5 and 5 squared is 25 plus 4 times 5 is equals to 20, and just copy the 2. Next is 5 times 25 is 125 plus 20 plus 2. Then next, 125 plus 20 is equals to 145 plus 2. And the last is 145 plus 2 is equals to 147. That's the final answer. And for the example number 2, we have here f of x is equals to 3x squared plus 3x plus 2, and the given value of x is 2. So let's do it. The first term is 3x squared. Bring down the 3 and then replace x with 2 squared. And the next term is 3x. Just copy the 3 and replace 2. Just copy the 2. Then perform. Bring down the 3 and 2 squared is 4 plus 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2. And in order to remove the parentheses here, we have to multiply 3 by 4, which is 12 plus 6 and 2. Next is 12 plus 6 is equals to 18 plus 2. And for the final answer, 18 plus 2 is equals to 20. So our answer is x is equals to 20. So for the third example, we have here f of x is equals to 3x cubed plus 4x plus 12, and the value of x is negative 2. So let's substitute the 2. The first term is 3x cubed. Just bring down the 3 and negative 2 cube. And the second term is 4x. Just bring down the 4 and change the x with negative 2 and plus 12. Next, just bring down the 3, then negative 2 cube is negative 8. Then 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 plus 12. Then next, in order to remove the parentheses, we have to multiply 3 by negative 8, which is negative 24 minus 8 plus 12. Next, negative 24 minus 8 is equals to negative 32 plus 12. And for the last, we have here x is equals to negative 32 plus 12 is equals to negative 20. And that's our final answer. Example, we have here f of x is equals to x cubed plus 4x squared plus 2. And we have here the first term, x cubed. We have to negative 3 cube plus 4 negative 3 squared, then plus 2. Then next, negative 3 cube is equals to negative 27. Then 4 plus 4. Then negative 3 squared is positive 9 plus 2. Then next, just copy the negative 27. Then 4 times 9 is equals to 36 plus 2. Next is negative 27 plus 36 is equals to 9 plus 2. And the final answer is 9 plus 2 is equals to 11. So that's our final answer. And that's all for this video. I hope I helped you on how to evaluate a function. And if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. That's all. Bye!